Go to the gym, mashallah, start doing your reps, as we say. Start, the bars and whatever else. And what happens to your hands initially? Imagine, look at the example. I firstly gave you an example that came to my mind, was that of people toiling for real life and survival in Africa. For example, it's an example. And here, it's a luxury to be subscribed to a gym. MashaAllah. It's a luxury. And we have it and we're still complaining. MashaAllah. Why? I just can't lose this belly of mine. Hang on. You've given birth to 6 kids. You're not supposed to lose everything, subhanallah, by the will of Allah. Those who love you will appreciate it and tell you, that's what I actually love about you. Subhanallah. May Allah grant us goodness and ease. But unfortunately, yes, there's pressure of society, pressure of friends, environments, so many other factors. But the point I was raising is you get used to that level of pain. And after that, it's no longer painful. Because why? The threshold moves. The same applies to sabr. When you get used to sabr, Allah starts you off with something small. Following year, something slightly bigger. The following year, something even bigger. And you start thinking to yourself, does Allah not love me? But Allah loves you so much, He wants you to endure so that He can give you paradise without a problem. Simple, you walk straight through. Things are going wrong in your life. That's according to you. According to Allah, it's going right. Think of it. You just went through the loss of life, the loss of a marriage, maybe through divorce, whatever else it may have been, a child, a loved one, a job. It's okay, one of those things. It's tough, we may cry, it's normal, we are human beings, we can feel the loss, but it should be cushioned by your faith in the Almighty. You know, you have a conviction, the dawn is to follow. The dawn is definitely to follow.